All right, page 100, number 6. It says, for which values of the variable is each radical defined? Justify your answers. I just thought I'd throw them all here to show basically what you need if it's an even root, so it's like it's the square root or fourth root or sixth root, whatever. If it's an even, underneath it has to be positive. Has to be positive. If it's odd, 1, 3, well, not 1 square root, 3, 5, 7, whatever. So if you have the fifth root, it can be negative. Doesn't have to be, but it can be negative. Okay, so use a different color. Here, x can be anything because you're going to square it. It's going to cancel anything out. So for this one, x can be anything. For this, notice like it's a square root. This is negative. This part is negative. We cannot have a negative under here, so this part has to be negative as well. So a has to be less than or equal to 0. For this one, we've got a cube root, so this can be negative because it's going to come out anyway. So c can be negative, which means it can be anything because a positive is never a bad thing, well, unless it's here. And in this case, same idea. This is positive, so this will need to be positive. It's the fourth root, so this one oops. How do I do z? Z has to be greater than or equal to 0. Can't be negative. All right. Hopefully that makes sense.